So what's your relationship with the metronome? Thinking of a metronome reminds me of a story of a not very bright auto mechanic who was asked to see if the turn signal was working. And he said, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So the metronome keeps blinking on and off at us just like the turn signal. And it's this uncontrollable force that we have that just kind of tries to keep us sane. A metronome is an externalization of an internal reality. It's a check on our rhythm. I've come to the conclusion a lot of people think they're using the metronome to count for them. You're not. You're using the metronome as a guide to your counting. One of the most effective ways I've thought of using the metronome is to put it on just the flash. And then to think that that flash of the metronome coming on is the result of a motion in my playing. Maybe it's my finger coming down. Maybe it's a bow change. Maybe it's a finger coming down in conjunction with the bow change. So I go, and the metronome flashes at me. I've done it right. So try playing something that you want to play in time. Let's say Mendelssohn Scherzo, you want to play in time. And put the metronome just on flash and see if you can make this happen. Every time you make a motion, you're causing the metronome. It's putting you in the right relationship with the metronome. You should be counting in a way that the metronome is just a check for. The metronome is not counting for you, right? Another thing you can do, reason we use the metronome is to just pace us. When I was doing the training for marathons, every single run I had a stopwatch, and every single run I had a goal, and being a type A person, I would try to exceed that goal a little bit every time. So I knew what I needed, distance and time every run. When you use a metronome, you can help guide yourself. Let's say you're developing and you can play something at 80 beats per minute. The next day, for whatever reason, you feel a little sluggish. And you say, I'm going to play this fast. But fast to you feels like 72 beats per minute that day, because you don't really have a frame of reference. So remember, in another video, I was talking about using numbers. The numbers on a metronome can help guide us and say, last Tuesday you could play this at 80 beats per minute. This Tuesday you can play at 100 beats per minute. It's a gauge for our progress. This tool doesn't impose its will on us. It allows us to monitor and celebrate our progress. I improved from 80 to 100 beats per minute. And it allows us to normalize our playing on good days versus bad days.